In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn business page. If you've ever wondered how to officially represent your business on one of the most prominent professional networking platforms, I'm here to guide you step by step. This process is not only straightforward, but also crucial for enhancing your professional visibility and networking opportunities. First things first, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Ensure you're using an account that holds administrative privileges within your organization or one that you're comfortable linking to your business page. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find an option labeled for Business. This is your gateway to all business-related functions on LinkedIn. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you should see an option to create a company page. This feature is designed to help you establish a distinct and professional presence for your business on LinkedIn. Entering this section signifies that you're ready to set up a dedicated platform to showcase your company's brand, culture, and achievements. So click on Create a Company Page. Next, you'll be prompted to choose from a few options that best describe your organization. Whether it's a small business, medium to large business, or an educational institution. For most businesses, you'll choose company. This choice is pivotal as it lays the organizational groundwork on LinkedIn. As you proceed, you'll need to fill in some necessary details about your company. LinkedIn will ask for information such as your company name, public LinkedIn URL, website, and industry. This crucial step is where you define your business's identity to over 700 million LinkedIn members. It's a good idea to prepare accurate and concise descriptions and gather any visual assets or logos that will make your page more vibrant and informative. Once you've diligently filled out these sections, it's time to verify your role. Look for the statement that reads something like, "I verify that I am an authorized representative of this organization," and give it a click. This acknowledges that you have the right and responsibility to manage your company's page, adding a layer of authenticity and trustworthiness. Finally, after double-checking everything for accuracy, you can click on Create Page. This is the moment your business officially joins the LinkedIn community, ready to connect with professionals, potential employees, and industry peers. This page will be a living, evolving part of your business's online strategy. So remember to keep it updated with fresh content and engage with your audience regularly. Congratulations, you've now created a LinkedIn business page. You're now ready to start sharing your company's milestones, posting job openings, and building a community of followers. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this has made the process clear and easy to follow.